still look like a rocket. Little boy, you not the topic. Ballin' hard, never flopping. Designer, that's what I be rocking. They focus, you know I be grinding. Diamonds, I'm in perfect timing. In the kitchen, I will be.
On the road doing sold out shows. On the road doing sold out shows. You wanna beat me, you just as a me and Cole magazine pulling you forward. You was so trash, you get the spot.
You guys, it has been a couple days later, and now we finally got the kit. I just got this yesterday, guys, so I already opened some part of it, but yeah, this is what it looks like, and you'll be checking it out, because I didn't really open it, but I just checked to see if it was in there. And we definitely have all of this. Damn. All looking fresh. And then just have all this stuff. All this stuff. I'm just gonna go blow it out. All this stuff, like all the stuff that I ordered. This is just the first part, so I will be getting stuff soon. But damn, that just looks hot right there. As you guys can see, this is all wrapped individually. All other kits, hey, that's me, all the kits, when you buy them from different reflex companies and stuff, they don't have it individually wrapped like this. And they include alcohol, swabs, and all this other stuff. This is, you know, all the stuff that I ordered. Well, some of these come in for free, but mine's purple and white. But they do include these for every order, and they all have instructions. So as you guys can see, there are instructions right over here. And there are instructions for this, which is something that I also ordered. These are those QR codes that I was talking about in the other video. And those are the instructions to go link them all and stuff. So like if you scan this, then this one can bring up to your YouTube channel, this one can bring up to another one. It's all tough. Well, let me go be smart real quick and go cut it right here. There you go. Damn. We got obviously my logos. 3. And this one looks tough. Same as this one. This can be going on the front of my bike. If it focuses. There we go. All tough. And then you also have this one. Both of these, I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet, but might go put them on something else, because I have another one right over here. It's going to be the one on the bike. Damn. So we have these. This is going to be the ones that are going on the bike. I don't know what I'm going to do with this one yet. I might put them on the handlebars, but I don't think it's actually going to go fit. And I don't even know if I'm in the frame right now, but I might go put these on something else. But yeah, it's tough. So we have this. These are just tough right here. This is like my favorite part probably. Ooh, and then this one. Ooh. Instagram. Also, if you guys want to have me on Instagram, at the real Marvids, all in here. Same as this one. Let's put those aside. And then the ones that are going on the bike. If I can get it. There you go. Even bigger. And also this. This is supposed to be the reflex thing for the fork Even this one has instructions, so this one goes on the chain side, so on your right, so it goes down like that. And one for the other side. Like this one even says non-chain side, so you obviously know. That's tough. This one right here, damn. Marvids Duro. Marvids Duro. This is literally almost all of it. I also need to get away for chain reflex, what else, wheel reflex and stuff. But this is most of it right here. And I will put these on, but if you guys watch my vlogs, and I think a couple vlogs ago, my back rim got destroyed. Not actually destroyed, but it got like bent really bad, and so I had to get it fixed. But I need to get a new rim, and also my front rim is also in the shop. It already got fixed. I just need to go wait for my back rim to get fixed and everything, and then soon when we have all that, we're going to go install all of these. Alright guys, so it's been a couple of days later, and now we finally have the bike completed with both of the wheels on, because you know, last time back wheel was sort of destroyed, but y'all all fixed. And we have decals over here. You can smell this stuff, but this bike is a little bit dirty, like as you can see right over here, it's a little bit dirty. So basically what I'm cleaning it with is this. Fantastic. It's a all-purpose cleaner. You can use other stuff like purple, or there's like all this other stuff that you can clean your bike with it. And you also need paper towels, so make sure you spray this onto paper towels and then wipe your bike off with that, and just make sure your bike is all clean. Want to do first is you have to remove all the decals that you guys are replacing. Taking off your fork decals can be very hard because usually, like for example, mine are all separate. I'm pretty sure that's the same thing for all SK bikes, but mine are all separate, so you have to go take them all off one by one. And for this, we used a knife because it was hard. I don't really recommend you guys to use a knife if you guys don't know what you guys are doing. If you do, please be careful with it because you can scratch your bike, and we don't want anything like that to happen. So please be careful with taking off your fork decals. You can go try and just use your finger, but if you want to go use a knife or anything like that, make sure you guys try and use it at one of the corners of the sticker, and don't press hard on them either.
I just like the sound of it.
After you guys are done taking off all the stickers, I used 3M adhesive remover to remove all the sticky stuff that were left from the stickers that were previously on the bike, and I just used it all over the spots where the stickers were on. After you guys are done that, you guys have to go clean it with alcohol. So you guys could use those alcohol prep pads that were included with the kit. And for me, I just use denatured alcohol, which is good for cleaning all this other stuff. And you guys have to use it because, especially if you guys use 3M adhesive remover, if you guys use that and then put the stickers directly on, the stickers will not stick. So you guys will need alcohol so that the stickers will stick on. Once you guys are done cleaning all of it, then it's time to go put on the decals. First we started with the fork decals. Try to properly position it to where you want it to be and what is perfect for you. We taped the top part of the fork decal, and then we also taped the middle of the sticker. And then all you guys have to do is peel off the white stuff. There is a split. Peel it all off. While you're peeling it all off, you guys have to go apply firm pressure to the stickers on the frame, and then just keep on applying firm pressure on the stickers to make sure that they are all sticking on to the frame, and peel off the last backing on the other side. Once you guys are done with that, peel off the clear plastic part that is on top of the sticker, and make sure you do it very carefully so that none of the stickers should stick on to the plastic part. Basically, you guys want to do this for all your decals and make sure that they are all centered and that there are no bubbles in it or any creases.
Man, don't make the trick, so you know we about to turn on.
Zidane on the beat. This is Dan on the beat.
Blast off, blast off, blast off. Blast off, blast off, blast off. Blast off. Blast off, blast off, blast off. Blast off, blast off, blast off. Yeah, yeah. Blast off. Blast off like a rocket. Little boy, you not the topic. Ballin' hard, never flopping. Designer, that's what I be rocking. They focus, you know I be grinding. Diamonds, I'm in perfect timing. In the kitchen, I'm whipping the pots in. I'm sorry, I'm just being honest. Blast off like a rocket. Little boy, you not the topic. Ballin' hard, never flopping. Designer, that's what I be rocking. They focus, you know I be grinding. Diamonds, I'm in perfect timing. In the kitchen, I'm whipping the pots in. I'm sorry, I'm just being honest. Young flash, you with the drip. 2J, I'm repeat the kicks. I think I got this here to 6. Cause the way that I drift in the whip, I don't got time for no chick. I'm tryna make it all quick and get my mama out this ish. I'm just tryna get rich, but they just be jealous and mad. But we getting straight to the back. These daddies don't know how to act. I'm dressed up in all black. Might wanna watch it back. Got your girlfriend in the back. Tell her throw that thing back. Quiet when I'm on the set. Little boy upset. Could be dripping so she can't catch. I'm taking off in the jet. Just know I'm coming up next. I think I was born to flex. Cause the way that I flex in my ex. And now she sending me a text. She a dub, I don't need that. But I'm taking off to the moon. Look at the tops when they bloom. Successful kid, I won't lose. Surrounded by positive dudes. You know we don't play by the rules. I pull up on you with my crew. You know they gon' shoot out the roof. Bomb squad, that's what we do. Blast off like a rocket. Little boy, you not the topic. Ballin' hard, never flopping. Designer, that's what I be rocking. They focus, you know I be grinding. Diamonds, I'm in perfect timing. In the kitchen, I'm whipping the pots in. I'm sorry, I'm just being honest. Blast off like a rocket. Little boy, you not the topic. Ballin' hard, never flopping. Designer, that's what I be rocking. They focus, you know I be grinding. Diamonds, I'm in perfect timing. In the kitchen, I'm whipping the pots in. I'm sorry, I'm just being honest. 2 girls on me and they pop. Talking down, you might get shot. No, I don't hang with the us, but where they justice like Tupac. Got them bands all in my side. Switching lanes and foreign drop. Think I got it from my pops. Know that bike on 12 o'clock. Do my dance, I Millie rock. Grinding hard, I cannot stop. This a message to my pops. Yeah, hard times, it hurt my heart. But I'm older and I'm smart. Going for it, no remorse. Wasn't there from the start, but I'ma show you how I rock. I'm taking off to the moon. Look at the tops when they bloom. Successful kid, I won't lose. Surrounded by positive dudes. You know we don't play by the rules. I pull up on you with my crew. You know they gon' shoot out the roof. Bomb squad, that's what we do. But I'm taking off to the moon. Bomb squad, that's what we do. I pull up on you with my crew. Don't make me pull up. Bomb squad, that's what we do. Blast off like a rocket. Little boy, you not the topic. Ballin' hard, never flopping. Designer, that's what I be rocking. They focus, you know I be grinding. Diamonds, I'm in perfect timing. In the kitchen, I'm whipping the pots in. I'm sorry, I'm just being honest. Blast off like a rocket. Little boy, you not the topic. Ballin' hard, never flopping. Designer, that's what I be rocking. They focus, you know I be grinding. Diamonds, I'm in perfect timing. In the kitchen, I'm whipping the pots in. I'm sorry, I'm just being honest.
I need